Hello, I'm Tom Simpson, founder of the National Billiard Academy. I'd like to show you my new pocket towel product designed for pool players. It hangs on your cue case, provides a way for you to dry your hands, wipe your shaft, whatever you need from a towel, but more importantly, it's a gigantic pocket. It has a Velcro closure at the top and the pocket is as large as the towel. You can carry all kinds of gear. Most cue cases don't provide enough pocket space for players to carry all the gear they like to have these days. This gives you a lot of extra space and it's not really visible. People don't see it. You could carry a couple of balls in here, your wallet, cell phone, jump bridge, cue extender, brass knuckles, roll of quarters, whatever you like. It closes and hangs on your cue case, very handy. We offer quantity discounts at the website, poolclinics.com. Makes a great gift for your teammates or friends. Makes a great prize for tournaments and leagues. And on top of that, it's made by handicapped folks near my home in Virginia. Check it out.